In this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Epson XP5200 printer that is printing lines. For example, I can see here like it's missing and also it's just in the straight lines. And to fix that issue we have to go to the printer control panel, and this will also help if your photos are having the same issue. The first step is to make sure you always check if you have enough ink in the ink cartridge or not. In case the ink is low, you need to refill or you need to replace the ink cartridges. Now go to the main screen and look for the maintenance option. Select printhead cleaning. Scroll down and look for the option printhead alignment. If you have vertical lines, you can select the first one. If you have horizontal alignment that is needed, then you can select the second one. So I'm just going to do the horizontal alignment because I have the issue with the horizontal lines. In this case, you have to select a rectangle that is not overlapping. So I can clearly see the number 4 is much better. So we have to go to the control panel and just check if it is correct or not. Otherwise you can use the plus or minus button to correct it and then click on the proceed and dismiss. From now onwards, whenever you are going to print, it will print normal. So let's do a copy. So you can clearly see the print result has improved a lot. So this way we can remove the horizontal or vertical lines from the printouts, same way from your photos. Thanks for watching.